Hi guys, so there you have it. We came all the way from Accra, 5 hours or more drive, just to see the Wli Waterfalls. And it's my first time seeing that in Ghana. This is such an amazing experience. My name is once again Bortey the Traveler. Subscribe and hit the like button. They are from that place, eh? They are tired. So the name is Wli. Wli. With B. Wli Waterfalls. Waterfalls. There you go. The name of the waterfalls is Wli Waterfalls. Apparently it's amazing. So let's go. We're almost there. So now we are in the village of Volta region. What's the name of this place again? Wli. Wli. Is it Wli or Wli? Eh? Wli. 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 Yeah, it's very difficult to pronounce. So I'm so tired. I'm gonna get some lunch, and then I have to wait till the sun comes down, because as you can see, it's burning. I can't stand it. Over 30 degrees, probably 35 or more. I'm gonna look for some local dish to taste, and then I will continue my journey. I will take you to the waterfall, the reason why I'm here. And then I think I'm gonna do the mountains, the highest mountains in West Africa, which is called Mountain Afaja. I think I will do that early morning tomorrow, because the sun is too hot and burning. I can't stand it. So follow me. You're gonna see what I'm gonna eat. It's fufu with some goat meat, or I don't know, whatever I'll find. I'm so tired and exhausted, but I've finally arrived at my destination. I'm so happy. Yeah, I love the village. We have the mountains around us. Show them the mountains. As you can see, yeah, I have a lot of mountains. Yeah, for those of you that doesn't know, I'm in Ghana. I'm in the Volta region, in a place called Wli. Anyway, my name is Bortey the Traveler. Subscribe and hit the like button. See you. Yeah, this is banku. I've tasted it before, and I'm surprised. I've never eaten. This is antelope meat. I've never tasted antelope meat before, but I will try. Bon appetit. I'm starving. It's not bad. It's very nice. This is delicious. Very nice. It's like, tastes exactly like goat meat. I'm surprised. I didn't know they eat antelope here in this village. All right, guys, you're all invited. Join me. This is banku with palm nut soup, they call it. We are in Wli in Volta region. Yeah. In fact, I'm not far from the Togo border. Chop time, no friend. So we are on our way to the waterfalls now. We've finished off our lunch. The sun has come down. I think the sun has dropped to like 27 degrees, which is it's normal in Ghana. So we have about how many minutes? 30 minutes of walk to the waterfalls, to the Wli Waterfalls. It's very difficult to pronounce the name. Wli. It's two alphabet. It's WLI. Yeah. It's three alphabets. I beg your pardon. It's three alphabets. It's WLI. But there is the pronunciation. You don't pronounce the W like W. And sometimes, you know, you kill the W and pronounce it like V. But no, it's Wli. But I think with time I'll get used to it. Yeah, Wli means struggle. Struggle, yeah. I don't know what happened here. I don't know what the ancestors did. But it means struggle. So, guys, let's go. It's a very massive village, though. It's not really a very scary forest, but to walk about 30 minutes is in this hot weather. It's just not acceptable. I have to do this for you guys. I'll show you the beauty of Ghana. I've seen a bamboo tree. Come. Are you cutting the bamboo tree? This is amazing. This is amazing, eh? This is a solid bamboo tree. See this small river passing through, but I don't know if it's coming from the waterfall. We'll find out. It's just nice and quiet, and I think I like the quiet atmosphere. The bamboo trees and but the temperature is different over here. This is awesome. Lots of bamboo trees. Yeah. Hello. Nyawezo. You know what I've seen? I've seen a little caban. I don't know, it's made out of bamboo. So let me check it out. I don't know who it belongs to, but I'll check it out. Oh, it looks like a little single resting place. Yeah. I'll see what is in there. Oh, this is made out of bamboo trees. I don't know if they have bamboo farming here, but a lot of bamboos. This is amazing. Wow. Okay, let me get out of here. Okay, I'll use another exit. Yeah. Oof. After 15 minutes of walk, we are still on our way to the waterfall. Yeah, I've seen the direction. It's here. There's a foundation thing, lodge and tour, art and music. Okay, beach in the jungle. What's this? Okay. You can even get a coffee here to buy. Look at that. Holland coffee shop. Fire. It says, what does this say? Dirty fire. Beautiful. There we go. Hello, boss. How are you? Please, how many minutes walk to the waterfalls? Yeah, we are going to, if you can show us the direction to the waterfall. Oh, no, it's okay. We go straight? Yeah, okay. All right, thank you. Huh? Hello. Are you from the waterfall? Yes. Beautiful, huh? Yes. We are heading towards there. Yes. Yeah. Are you? Thank you. You are not tired?
No, you're tired already.
Yeah, I'm tired.
You have a lot of time zones.
I tell you.
You cannot get lost.
Yeah. Okay.
Is it your first time?
Thank you. Yeah, it's my first time. Yeah.
Enjoy. Where are you from?
I'm from Geneva.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, enjoy.
Thank you. I will.
Enjoy.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. I believe over here is a cocoa plantation. Come closer. You see how it starts to become cocoa. Right. So, if you don't know, Ghana is one of the largest cocoa producers. And very soon I will take you to one of the biggest or the largest cocoa farm in Ghana. So we are almost there. I'm so relieved. Finally. We have about 5 minutes walk. Just look at the mountain. That's where the water is coming from. So amazing. I can't wait to see it. I love nature. I love the greens. Yeah. Yeah. We are there. Come. So guys, finally, this is a Wli Waterfall behind me. As you can see, we finally made it. Actually, we were told it's about 30 to 35 minutes walk, but that was a lie. It took us almost an hour, but we finally made it. Let's get closer. Yeah. Guys, this is Ghana. It's just beautiful. Amazing. Amazing. We drove, we made 5 hours journey just to see this waterfall. Is the Wli Yeah, we made it, huh? Yeah, be careful. So I just met a new friend here from Germany.
Hi.
He's going to introduce himself.
Yeah, hi. My name is Lucas and I am from Germany. It's like my first time in Ghana and yeah, it's like my third day.
Lucas,
Yes.
I'm Francis. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Francis. Nice
So
to meet you.
what brought you to Ghana?
Actually, I don't know. We looked like which places are nice in Africa, and so we saw like Ghana, and we thought like it's maybe a nice country.
Yeah.
That's all. Yes.
And you came all the way to Wli Waterfalls.
Yes. Yeah, it's like we came to Accra on Thursday night and it was like big city is not our thing and we want to see nature and we see like Volta region is a nice place. So yeah, it's our first step here in
Did you enjoy the walk to this place?
Oh,
the jungle.
we were up there, so it was like a tough walk.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, now I'm really happy and yes,
Did you enjoy yourself?
yeah, for sure.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Will you come back again?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah?
Yes.
You had fun?
Yes.
So do you like Ghana?
I like Ghana, but like the pepper, it's like a little bit spicy. I
The
have
pepper
to
is
get
very
used to
spicy,
it.
yeah.
Like, all the time I eat, it's like fire, fire, fire. So I try to
Even
get
me,
it better.
even me as a Ghanaian, it's my first time coming to this place.
Okay,
And
nice.
It's beautiful.
Lucky you.
It's really amazing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, lucky
So
you.
Lucas,
Yes.
nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
Have fun.
Francis. Have a
And
nice
enjoy
journey.
yourself. Huh?
You too.
Thank
See
you.
you.
Nice meeting you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Okay, see you. Yeah, we were told, but maybe another time. Yeah, we'll do that. Okay. Bye. Yeah? Okay, we'll try again. So, Francis,
Yes.
your name?
Yes, my name is Francis.
I'm also called Francis.
Oh,
So
namesake.
Yes.
Namesake. Yeah, namesake.
So were you born here in
Yeah,
Wli?
yeah, I'm a native here.
Yeah?
I'm even born in this forest.
Yeah?
Yeah, my father, my great grandfather, in the beginning he was living in the cave at the top there. My father cottage is on
Yeah.
the top there. So now I'm a tour guide.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm taking the tourists around. There's another waterfall on the top. It's my great grandfather who created the path to the top, to the next waterfalls. There's a village up there we call Vituji.
Yeah. But do you know who discovered this waterfall?
This waterfalls and the top one. Oh, it's
Were discovered by your
by my great grandfather, Togwe Kluji.
Togwe Kluji.
Togwe Kluji. Since 1869. At Togwe Kluji, he was living in the cave behind here. So, and that I also picked the idea. I start camping program. I camp people here. I have a platform back there. So, and then I went to the tourist office. Before you be a tour guide, you have to go to a little bit study. They have to know your character. They have to know you very well. So if you check camping under the waterfalls, you see me, and you see my great grandfather, Togwe Kluje, Ignatius Kluje.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ignatius Kluje is the name of the.
So this place, you can stay at this place till when?
Yeah,
At what
you
time?
We can stay here. We can camp here. We can have overnight here. I have
You
so
can
many.
even sleep here.
Yeah, I have so many tents and the mattresses. So I camp people here. It's possible to camp here with a bonfire. Sometimes I teach people how to play the drum.
I think we're gonna try that the next time.
That will be the best awesome. You try, you experience the nature. You see, sometimes you see the antelopes will come and drink the water.
So Francis, you were saying your great grandfather was called Togbe Kluji. He discovered this place
1869.
1869.
He's a great hunter in this community.
Yeah?
Yeah,
He was a great hunter.
great grandfather. He's the.
Was he a,
He's the one.
was he a hunter?
Yeah, he was a hunter. He's the one who made this forest safe for everyone today. In those days, it was wild animals around this area. So that's why they call Wli. The name of the town is called Wli.
Wli.
Yeah, Wli. Yeah, Wli means struggle.
Struggle, yeah.
Yeah.
I was told.
Yeah,
I learned
struggle.
that.
Struggle. So he's the one who discovered this place. And then he made this place safe for everyone. Because those days it was wild animals, tiger, lion. So he has a magic power. So when he entered the forest, he used the magic,
The magic powder.
magic power. So he sent the tiger and the lion away. So the place is safe for everyone to.
So tell me, today, what type of animals can we
Now you can
find?
see, you can find
this,
when you
forest?
go inside the forest, you see the antelopes,
Antelope,
grass cutter,
grass cutter.
yeah, monkeys, baboons,
Yes.
and birds.
A lot of birds.
A lot of birds, and you can see fruit bats.
Yeah, I can see the bats.
Yeah.
What type
So-
of bats are they?
It's fruit bat.
Fruit bats.
Fruit bats.
Okay, they are not dangerous.
They're not dangerous.
Yeah?
Yeah. Here it's so dual. It's natural air conditioning flowing on. I like that.
Nice. Yeah,
Yeah.
I can see the temperature is very
Yeah.
nice over here.
Yeah.
Comparing it to there.
Yeah.
So nice talking to you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay.
Nice to meet you too. So I'm telling you, try to come and have a camping and have a experience in the nature here.
Yeah. Hi guys. So there you have it. We came all the way from Accra. 5 hours or more drive just to see the Wli Waterfalls. And it's my first time seeing that in Ghana. This is such an amazing experience. Tomorrow morning, we'll head towards the mountain Afaja. So we'll see you there again. My name is once again Bortey the Traveler. Subscribe and hit the like button.